Hi, this is Pavitra Punia and you're watching me on Be Blunt.
वेलकम पवित्रा पुनिया टू बी ब्लंट पॉडकास्ट। आपका स्वागत है।
Thank you so much.
ये बचपन में जो है वो FIR बैठ के पुलिस स्टेशन में लिखती थी, मतलब ऐसा क्या हो गया था? मतलब
मेरा फोन तो I need to talk to my mother. हेलो, क्या बताया इसको?
ये बताओ, ये क्या किस्सा था?
My dad was a Delhi police officer. He's no more. तो मैं जब 8 साल की थी ना, तो मुझे ऐसे नींद से उठाते थे। सुन, हाँ, अरे नहीं, so he used to say, अच्छा मेरा ना कुछ फाइल्स लिखनी है, तो एक बार मेरी हेल्प करेगी क्या? एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक, डैडी सुबह करें? नहीं बेटा, सुबह सबमिट करनी है, तो तू भी लिख, मैं भी लिखता हूँ। And I used to write that time. So, and like I am talking about, I have seen when I was in 8th standard, मैंने VVIPs के cases खुद अपने हाथ से लिखे हैं. And I used to ask, ये तो वो है ना जिसकी न्यूज़ चल रही थी? Okay. And there used to be blood in between the papers and files. तो ये पिताजी की देन है यार.
अच्छा, तो मतलब क्रिमिनोलॉजी जो है तुमने बचपन
से ही सीख ली थी.
अच्छा,
मतलब अभी तो मैं ऐसे देख के बता सकती हूँ, खून उधर है.
दया, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
मुझे एक बात बताओ, ये एक्ट्रेस बनने का सपना कैसे आया, कब आया और कब, मतलब हाउ यू ट्रैवल टू मुंबई एंड व्हाट वाज योर जर्नी?
मुझे okay, this sounds little weird, but I never thought of becoming an actress ever.
Okay.
Roots में नहीं था ऐसा. Coming from a very rural background, a very orthodox mentality. Because my father was a Delhi police officer, I always wanted to become an IPS officer.
Oh.
And because I have good height, touch wood.
Yeah.
So people used to, and that time I was very lean and kind of a size 0 figure. एज वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी लेस. तो सब लोग बोलते थे कि आप मॉडलिंग में क्यों नहीं ट्राई करती? तो मैं दिल्ली में छोटे छोटे मॉडलिंग शूट्स करती थी. तब भी मुझे नहीं लगा था दैट आई विल बिकम एन एक्ट्रेस सम टाइम. और मैं आज यहाँ पे के बी ब्लंट शो में बैठी हूँ. आई फ्लू विद किंगफिशर एयरलाइंस. आई वॉज इन कैबिन क्रू. 8-9 months I realized that this is not my job. I believe I won't be able to pursue it. That's how I came to Mumbai.
Okay.
Because we used to have the training in Parshuram House, Ville Parle. And my parents did not know that I got terminated because I did not go on my job for 1 month. Nobody knows this, that I got terminated from there. And then my father one day called when he received that termination letter, and he called, what are you doing? I said, I'm getting ready to go for flight. Said okay. And then my mother was also hearing, अच्छा कौन सी flight में? I said एक ही तो flight है. Then my brother was like, अभी बताएगी कि वहाँ पे आके पूछूं. And then I started getting that, you know, that butterflies in my stomach and a big palpitation. My heart is popping. क्या हुआ? ऐसे क्या बकवास बातें कर रहे हो?
So confident.
उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे. Reverse psychology. बोले ये ड्रामे ना कहीं और दिखाना, तुम्हारा टर्मिनेशन लेटर सामने पड़ा हुआ है, उन्होंने तुम्हें निकाल दिया क्योंकि पिछले 32 दिन से तुमने वहां पे रिपोर्ट नहीं किया. एंड यू आर नॉट पिकिंग अप देयर फोन ऑल्सो. एंड देन आई टोल्ड देम, देन आई कन्विंस्ड देम दैट आई एम डूइंग मॉडलिंग सिंस 1 month एंड द पे स्केल जो मुझे यहाँ पे मिलता है, आई यूज्ड टू गेट 24,500 माई सैलरी. दिस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 2007. सो आई सेड उतना मैं अब 2 दिन में कमाती हूँ.
Wow.
I just analyzed. I just went little calculative. I was like, वहाँ पे इतना air pressure में, and then too much of pleasing people and telling them no hard feelings to the professions because I have been a part of it. But it was my choice, so not to hurt anyone's sentiments related to it. But for me, it was like मैं इतना मेहनत करती हूँ, इतना. Please, so many people are there who misbehave with you. They always try, and the men they ting call you, and they'll ask you where do you stay, and you have to be nice with them.
अच्छा, ऐसे होता है?
Yes.
Oh, very bad then.
And they will talk you nonsense things. What is your shoe size? Later on.
ऐसा कभी हुआ experience तुम्हारे साथ?
Yes.
मतलब क्या हुआ था exactly?
So what happens is that mostly these things are done by in age people. And they used to sit in business class and they used to always call you. Yes sir. Where do you stay? Since how long you're working? Okay, given the answer. Again called after 2-3 minutes and sitting with one of his partners, not female, male friends. So 2 aged men. again called. Now this one, you get the instinct that,
of course.
So now the cabin crew, when the curtain is shut, we talk that this is something down, creating the chaos and shit. Chalo koi baat nahi. Again went, yes sir. So you have been working here since how many times? Sir, I just told you, it's just 1 month, I'm a fresher. Okay. What's your name again? And looking at my badge, what's your name again? So it feels awkward.
Of course.
Okay, no problem. Now again, we have to follow the code of conduct that time as a cabin crew. Take care of the reputation of the certain airline that I worked with. Again, I went. After 5 minutes, again he called, what is your shoe size? Now the tone was little changed. And then I was like, which size are you asking, sir? And then he used to be like, he said, excuse me? Now the reverse psychology. How are you talking to me? I said, because you asked me about my shoe size, where my parents live and things like that. Where am I from? Twice you asked me, मैं कितने times से मैंने आपके साथ join किया हो. So what is this? Now my IFM, because we had managers, na? So she came because there was little noise then. And then calmed everything down. Then we also complained. Then our pilot also got to know. So that one incident in 1 month's time, I was like, this is not, I think, my thing. I have a boiling blood. That time it was a lot. And coming from that background and living here, taking care of the responsibilities and pursue my career, parents and the whole khandan being a little sensitive towards me, that she's so far, and a lot of pressure on me, and then these kind of people takrawing me, and then I have to explain about my shoe size to them and asking the name, looking at my badge. So I knew that I'm not going to pursue. So I had my share of experiences like
तो मुझे बताइए एक बात कि ना एक्टिंग में पहला ब्रेक कब और कैसे हुआ?
2011.
अच्छा.
2011, it was the remake of Jab We Met.
अच्छा.
Imtiaz Ali sir gave the rights to Star Plus.
Okay.
I was playing the lead.
Okay.
Geet, Kareena, and Siddharth Shukla was playing the hero.
पवित्रा जी मुझे बताइए कि ये शमशान जाने का जो किक था वो क्या था?
When I was 6-year-old, na, I used to have these glimpses suddenly.
Okay.
And that's a fact.
अच्छा.
Visuals of black things around me.
Oh.
Like visuals of tall black shadows in front of me.
Okay.
So गांव में जहाँ पे जब मैं जाती थी गांव में, ऐसे ना वेरांडा था, उसके अंदर ऐसे चारपाई लगी होती थी.
Okay.
सबकी. तो 10-12 चारपाइयाँ ऐसे like a theater. जैसी रात होती थी ना, तो मुझे ऐसे लगता था कि अब मैं सोने लगूंगी ना तो वो लोग वापस आ जाएंगे. And it used to happen. Tall shadows. And they used to look at me like this. Now imagine I'm wide awake, and from the mosquito nets, 3-4 men, dark shadows are looking inside. And whole night I used to be awake, और मैं सिर्फ ऐसे मुंह रखती थी, और मैं जैसे ही हल्का सा ऐसे peep out भी करती थी ना, तो तब भी वो लोग ऐसे ही देख रहे होते थे. So when I was 6 ना, so I knew कि नहीं मैं ये बातें नहीं बता सकती, पता नहीं क्या होगा. So I did not have the guts to tell my parents.
Back of the mind डर था. और ये भी नहीं था कि घर वालों ने कभी उस चीज को बाउंड करके रखा, पता नहीं कैसा डर था. So when I was in school, the first trip of my bunk was I went to a शमशान घाट. Because वो 6 साल की बच्ची के दिमाग में था कि मैंने बचपन में कुछ चीजें देखी थी जो बड़े होते होते मुझे पता था कि वो भूत है. अब भूत कहाँ होते हैं? जहाँ इंसान को दफनाते हैं, जैसे कब्रिस्तान, शमशान घाट, ग्रेवयार्ड बोलते हैं कि यहाँ पे भूत होते बेटा, उधर नहीं जाते कभी. सो हमने वो चीजें सुनी थी कि जहाँ पे शमशान घाट होता है वहाँ भूत होते हैं. भरी दोपहरी में बंक मार के वहाँ पे, और वहाँ के जो पंडित होते हैं शमशान घाट के, बोले बेटा आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो, और स्कूल नहीं गए क्या? मैं बोली अंकल मुझे ना ये पूछना था कि अंदर भूत होते हैं क्या? तो हंसे. अब बच्चा दिमाग ना, क्यूरियस माइंड, क्यों ऐसे आपको कौन बोला ये बात? तुम्हें कौन बोला? मैं बोले व्हेन आई वाज इन दिल्ली, मैं बोली नहीं मैंने सुना है कि शमशान घाट में भूत होते हैं. बोले जो मर जाते हैं ना वो आत्मा होती है, वो चली जाती है, यहाँ कोई भूत नहीं है. मैं बोली तो अंदर आओ. बोले नहीं अंदर नहीं आ सकते, आप लड़की हो ना और बच्चे हो, आप अभी आप जाओ, मम्मी पापा का बात कराओ. मैं बोली मेरे पास फोन नहीं है. कूल नाउ अगेन द कीड़ा माइंड. मैं बोली ये वाला शमशान घाट नहीं बोला ना, वो वाला बोलेगा. कहीं तो मिलेगा
जवाब. So I used to have 1 or 2 guys with me. Guys, क्योंकि लड़कियों को जवाब देना होता है, तो टेढ़ा दिमाग, कैलकुलेटेड माइंड. मैं बोली यार सुन राकेश, उधर चलते हैं. बोला कितने बजे? मैं बोली 8 बजे निकलेंगे.
रात में.
रात में.
अच्छा. और मम्मी को बोलती हूँ 1 घंटे के लिए मार्केट जा रही हूँ, सामान लेके आ रही हूँ। तो बोल ठीक है, वो बाइक लेके आया। अच्छा। पहुंच गए, अंदर चिता जल रही थी एक। मैं बोली आज तो इसमें से भूत निकलेगा।
ओके।
और मैं उसको देख रही हूँ जलते हुए बाहर से, और मैं देख रही हूँ कि वो लोग कब आएंगे जो बचपन में आते थे। Oh shit! But this boy started getting scared.
अच्छा।
अब for me मैं ये वेट कर रही थी वो कब आएंगे। और मैं बार बार ना ऐसे भी खड़े होके ऐसे भी देख रही हूँ कि ऐसे करती थी मैं, फिर मैं ऐसे भी कर रही हूँ। तो या इसलिए मैं शमशान घाट पहुंचती थी।
हम ना बिग बॉस की बात करते हैं। ओके, यू हैड अ जर्नी इन बिग बॉस। अब तुम्हारी लाइफ में ये बिग बॉस से बिजनेसमैन, ये क्या कनेक्शन है मतलब तुम्हारी लाइफ में?
See, everybody has a past. Now it depends on me if I have to choreography that past, or if that past is so important to be highlighted. Everybody makes mistake. I might have made the mistakes, but my past is not showing my ethics.
Right.
But who came up when I was in certain house and wanted to grab that limelight on behalf of me is the characteristic of that individual. Okay. When there is nothing. See, the thing is, Big Boss is such a big platform, na KK, where you have so much of limelight. You are just everywhere in the blink of eye, and everybody knows you. So that time you make any wrong move, either you want to have success in your life or make peace with your life, or you want to have controversies, and I don't want to take the name of the people who loves controversies around them and want to survive in them. But I see a broader picture, and my broader picture is my life. I have a future. I want to have my kids. And for that sake, I don't want to have that panpofai ke log aa rahe hain, log aayenge. Well, and you know what, KK, to be very honest, if you see those people also who spoke anything bad about me, everybody knows where they are. Yeah.
They are nowhere.
Nowhere.
True.
And you know what, KK, to be very honest, I really appreciate that you are asking me that it is okay that people are judgmental और उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन बोलना पड़ता है sometimes just to clarify few things. You know, first of all, clarity is one woman or a man that the whole world is behind. सबको clarity चाहिए लेकिन मिल किसी को नहीं रही. I have dated men. Sometimes आप उनके बारे में नहीं बोलते हो कुछ, कोई ऐसा बयान नहीं देते हो publicly as I am a public figure. People have the guts that they have multiple affairs and they are still going around with you. And they have the bloody guts to judge you. The other person who has submitted completely towards you. I was shaken to the core 2 days back only. That what? Now if I say anything, the other person does not want me to say anything because uska naam kharab hoga, because that was a hidden thing going on. You understood what I'm saying? Yeah. So just to किसी की इज्जत बचाने के लिए किसी की इज्जत नहीं गिरा पाते, इसलिए साइलेंस इज बेटर, ट्रस्ट मी।
मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आप बिग बॉस से निकलने के बाद बिग बॉस के रेपरकशन जो है वो इंसान के अंदर रहते हैं?
देयर आर नो रेपरकशंस, देयर इज नथिंग लाइक दैट। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। इट इज अबाउट हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू टेक सर्टेन थिंग्स। When I came out of Big Boss, I gave the priority somewhere else. I chose something else, and it was my decision. It was nothing forceful. I was not on gunpoint. No, you have to, you have to, you have to. But I wanted to do that. I wanted to work on my personal life. I wanted to work on my other things.
Okay.
That is the time, you know. See, Big Boss is a fuel to a celebrity's career, to be very honest, or anybody's career who becomes a part of Big Boss. So that fuel जो आपको मिलता है, if you're not utilizing that for your career. Now Big Boss is not a matrimonial site, right? That you're going inside and you have to become a pair so that you can get married once you come out. So it was not like that, but I wanted to have my blossoming career, but the things were clashing. So my personal and professional things were clashing. They were just clashing. So just for the mental peace, I thought that I am just going to stay calm now.
A break.
Yeah. And let's see how things will unfold. But it did not unfold nicely because eventually I was suffering that I was lacking work because no meetings. And see, I am not Deepika Padukone or I am not Jennifer Lopez that people are coming at my home calling me that we want to sign you, we want to sign you. Every television actor, every actor is a struggler, trust me. Even if I take the big names also, I'm sure they must be somewhere स्ट्रगलिंग बट दे डोंट शो। तो मुझे ऐसे था कि जब मैं बाहर नहीं जा पा रही तो कौन मुझे घर पे आके चुपचाप से ऐसे काम देगा। आई यूज्ड टू गेट वर्क बट द वर्क वाज नॉट इतना अच्छा कि मैं उसके लिए हाँ बोल पाऊँ।
सो डू यू अग्री कि बिग बॉस में जाने के बाद जो भी रिश्ते बनते हैं वो बाहर आके उसकी गारंटी नहीं होती कि वो
मुझे ऐसा ऑनेस्टली नहीं पता था बिकॉज आई बिकेम अ पार्ट ऑफ बिग बॉस। आई सॉ कपल्स बीइंग फॉर्म्ड इन बिग बॉस एंड आई इफ यू see all my interviews before going to Big Boss, I have mentioned particularly that I am not looking for any love life in Big Boss. I just want to play my game and come out. But I did not come out single. I came out with somebody else. That was very unplanned thing.
अच्छा वो कुछ plan
No. Okay. That was a very unplanned thing for me. It happened, and it was genuine from my side. So मैंने बोला मोहब्बती लड़की हूँ मैं, मुझे ना प्यार शब्द से इतना प्यार है ना, इतना प्यार है मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि दिस इज द बिगेस्ट फोर्स ऑफ लाइफ दैट कनेक्ट्स पीपल। बट मैं उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा ड्वेल हो जाती थी, अब नहीं होती बिकॉज मैं वो प्यार के फोर्स में बहुत ज़्यादा ड्वेल हो गई थी ना। सो इट्स गिव एंड टेक। आपको अगर एक चीज़ चाहिए तो कुछ और खोना पड़ता है एंड यू कांट रियली बैलेंस इट एट टाइम्स। सो मैं शायद बैलेंस नहीं कर पाई, तो मैं I was ready to lose.
पवित्रा मुझे बताइए कि जैसे बिग बॉस के घर से आप आए, मतलब everyone knows now कि you and एजाज are not there together, right? तो जब आप बिग बॉस के घर से बाहर आए तो ये रिलेशन कितने साल चला?
3 years.
3 years you had.
2.5 years.
2.5 years. तो क्या circumstances थे या क्या वजह थी, मतलब you guys got separated?
I don't want to talk about that honestly.
Okay.
Not the right time, but
okay.
See, why I don't want to say is this because he must be having his share of explanations. I am having my share of explanations. Now, if I say anything right now, कि क्या हुआ था, the other person might feel little awkward and would say anything. In the end, it is going to get little dirty, and I don't want to keep my hands away from any kind of dirt right now because I'm too focused on my work, too focused on my family, too focused on my career. I get DMs where people are just threatening me and abusing me. Because of my relationship. No, you cannot say anything
and
to
how
me because
you
I'm
handle
not even
these trollers?
Because they don't know anything. I will say I get affected by it. Yeah, my people knows and I know how much I have lost. Everybody knows who's in win-win situation. Everybody knows who's struggling where.
Yeah.
And I really don't have to show it to the world what is happening. And if anybody wants to think anything, it is really not my problem. Honestly and genuinely, I really want to sincerely work and just to take care of my family again. And I feel really bad when people, they involve families and commenting that you are lying by taking the name of your family because you wanted to leave him. And it is really weird because I have just lost my father. So shame on you that you guys talk something like this. I have just lost my father. So for love thing, nobody knows and nobody knew what was happening in 2.5 years. So better to keep the mouth shut because if the mouth is open, then it is going to become dirty and I don't want to make it dirty. So it is actually that thin boundary I'm drawing right now. So anybody who DMs me, please don't do that. Not gonna
So why
work.
don't you complain to police and all?
What complain?
कि I'm getting this threatening DMs and also they will find out ना. तो अभी तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं.
They are the fan clubs ना.
Your father was police officer.
No, but this is not that. This is understand. This is love. It's shipping a couple.
Oh.
So they are the fans of a couple, not for any particular individual.
Okay.
Must be inclined more towards one person and lesser for the another. So they try and blame the person.
So but मुझे लगता है
my staff gets it. My manager gets the messages from them.
Trollers.
Yeah. And it is so sad to say that they are the fan bases who claim to be our fans when you don't even have the decency to respect the privacy of a particular person. It is very sad.
So ये again मतलब ये क्या स्टार होने के side effects है?
Yes.
क्योंकि आप एक तो आप जब करते हो, आप अपने फील्ड में, आप अपने पैशन के साथ जब कम करते हो, जैसे जो भी whatever you achieve by yourself. You don't have anyone in industry, right? तुम्हारा तो दूर दूर तक कोई
I do not have any godfather. You know KK, you know me since 2018. You go on my Instagram page and you give me one name where you see that Pavitra is involved with so big high class people who are big producers and directors and the actors also. I came from a very normal family, a very orthodox family, made my career ऐसे चल रहा है ठीक है, बाय द ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ गॉड. सिर्फ मेरे को ऊपर वाले ने दिया सब कुछ, और जो भी मिला सिर्फ इस टैलेंट की वजह से, दैट आई कैन एक्ट लिटिल बिट वट एवर आई कैन. बट आई एम नॉट वन ऑफ दोज कि आप बोलोगे इसने इसको काम दिलाया इसलिए आगे बढ़ रही है. आई एम सेल्फ मेड, आई एम अ थॉरली इंडिपेंडेंट वुमन.
पवित्रा, जो सबसे वर्स्ट ट्रोल जो तुमको याद है वो कौन सा था?
अभी है, वो रिसेंटली है, दैट अगेन दैट थिंग ओनली वेयर people are claiming that one or two fans, एक दो जो fan है वही, the shipping fans, or there is some fake ID, there are some fake IDs also and they are not fans, but the way they talk is something as if somebody else is talking who knows things, like it's more of taking the side of him and not me. That whatever projects I'm getting now is because of him.
How come?
Because I utilized his fame. Excuse me? Excuse me?
So these kind of troll you get. So you never replied to them?
No, why will I entertain you? I get affected, that's my problem. But why will I entertain you? Who are you? Who knows you? What have you done for this country? I have given my 16 years to this industry, entertaining all of you. And if this is the result that you're serving me by trolling me and telling me, so-called people, and you know the best part is that people on Instagram or anywhere now, they think
she's just want to break you. She's not blaming the fans. She's talking about the trollers. Yeah, because fans always love her.
And my fans, I know they are die-hard. Like even you won't believe this thing happened in my life. They did not even ask me once what happened because they knew something must have happened. They are your real fans. And I know my fans loves me. वो लोग जान छिड़कते हैं मेरे ऊपर.
ये सारी चीजें होने के बाद इमोशनली कितना हार्ट होता है पवित्रा? कितना फर्क पड़ता है? कितने रूटीन्स में चेंजेस आते हैं? कितने इमोशंस में चेंजेस आते हैं?
You don't feel like eating anything. You feel like just sitting at one corner. So things were not right between us since 5 months. 5 months, in fact, I'll say. Okay. And in November, I lost my father. I used to sit in my bedroom on my bed at one corner only. One corner so thoroughly that there is a kind of a lower dug up thing in my mattress now. It's so prominent that one person या तो इधर weight रखा हो तो I used to just sit ऐसे. No support, nothing, no mental support. Taking the loss of such a beautiful thing and such a beautiful protection from my life, losing my father, not eating, just sleeping, don't know what to do, what will happen now. Every time the father is in head, any moment crying. It was a mental turmoil for me. Honestly, I was just standing on the peak of depression. Just the peak of depression, and I could have, when I had suicidal thoughts, and I used to think कि अगर मैंने कुछ किया, no, what will my mother, what will I have dogs, what will they do, what will my brother do? It's the worst thing, trust me. Breakups are the worst thing. They kills you. I faced it. It was bad.
मैंने तो सुना है तुम 2 दिन पहले गोवा चली गई थी जब हम बात कर रहे थे. So हार्ट ब्रेक और उसके बाद गोवा कौन जाता है? That means Pavitra is back?
No, that means that Pavitra, by the grace of God, I have what it takes to gather myself together and to move on, and I have no shame in that because I have a family. I have a mother who has given me birth. I had a father who really, right now also, if he's around me and looking at me, he wants me to shine brighter and brighter. He doesn't want to look at me where I am weeping all the time and just being in disguise and just almost dead zombie. For the sake of my family, for the love for myself, this is how I am and this is how I'm going to be forever. I am going to feel that situation for a time being, but after that,
अब कोई फर्क नहीं
no,
पड़ता.
not
you
at
are
all.
On the way for your journey to success.
Yes. By the blessings of my father right now, I am just on that track and I am happy.
Public display affection के बारे में आपका क्या thought है? I mean romance on road.
I really don't like it because I'm not khilaf of anything of public display of affection. I'm not saying anything, but the thing is that a road is not a property for public display of affection. You can't really start do actually a lot of private things that time that it is even hard to explain right now what all the deeds that they do. And it makes you feel pukish at times. Tell me one thing, this girl looks that she's pagal hai is ladke ke pyar mein. If that boy cannot even afford a 1100 rupee Oyo room, I'm talking the cheapest thing, he's not respecting you.
True.
If a man is kissing you ऐसे खुले में जहाँ पासर बाय देखते हुए जा रहे हैं और बाजू वाला लड़का भी देख रहा है, how your lips are moving, he is not respecting you. That means he's first of all, he's not a marriage material. First of all, you can't be in a relationship with a man like that who can't even protect you. Imagine if somebody, there comes the things. First of all, उस पूरी रोड पे बच्चे भी जाते हैं. Now imagine my or your kid tomorrow is traveling with me और बोले ये क्या कर रहे हैं? What will you answer them?
True.
Wrong. Secondly, अगर बदतमीज लड़के भी जा रहे हैं जो बदमाशी करते हैं बहुत ज्यादा, वो अगर ये हरकत देखते हैं and if they like that certain girl, will that alone boy would be able to save this girl from those 4 mushtandas who got turned on by seeing her doing that? You understood?
Yeah.
So it's about killing the system of the society.
So true. So Pavitra, tell me, how is life after father's death?
Very sad. Where I don't feel his presence around me, where I don't feel him talking to me, where I don't feel him guiding me. He's just there.
तो वो एक जो खालीपन है वो मतलब अब रहेगा,
वो हमेशा रहेगा. I think शायद ही अब कोई उस चीज़ को पूरा कर पाया. I say that my mother also would not be able to do that. So my father is a very dukti rag of mine. He's my weak point. I did not ever realize this thing that my father can become a weak point for me. You know, जो parents होते हैं ना, we used to take them lightly. अरे हाँ, I know, अरे what is this, what is that? But when you actually lose them, then you know. And I never felt anything, any amount of drastic change in my life that came. This was the biggest loss that I think I will never be able to overcome or anybody will ever be able to fulfill. कहते हैं ना, एक औरत जो होती है, एक लड़की अपने पिता के बाद वो जिससे शादी करती है उसके अंदर वो सारे गुण देखती है. शायद कल को कभी वो टाइम ऐसा आए तो शायद मैं उस लड़के में भी वो चीज़ें नहीं देख पाऊंगी. आई मिस हिम सो मच. एवरी पॉइंट आई मिस हिम सो मच. एंड अभी तो बीच में तो रिसेंटली आई हैड इंटरव्यूज वेयर दे यूज्ड टू shut the cameras like for 15-20 minutes because I used to not control myself. That one point when daddy, somebody says now your father, and I just like right now also I'm just
because you are your father's girl now.
Yeah, I'm just soaking.
मुझे बताओ कि जब where were you जब तुमको पता चला?
I met him in the morning. I been there. So my father used to always tell me, beta, buy lands. Let your money make money for you. You are working for money. Your money should also work for you.
So true.
And how will your money will work for you? Buy land. That day, I went for the registration of my land in morning. And I went there, I told him, आज मैंने registration कर लिया है.
अच्छा, बात हुई थी?
हाँ, मैं मिल के आई उनसे.
Oh, so that time you were in?
पालघर.
अच्छा.
Yeah, my parents stays there. And then शाम में मेरे सामने ही थे वो, इतना कुछ रिएक्ट नहीं कर रहे थे. ही सॉ मी बट उन्होंने फेस उधर कर लिया. एंड देन आई टोल्ड माई मदर लाइक समथिंग इज वियर्ड, कुछ ठीक नहीं लग रहा है. ऐसे तो वो चेहरा नहीं घुमाते कभी. देन मैं बॉम्बे आ गई वापस और तब से दोपहर से ही मेरी मम्मी बोलने लगी कुछ ये स्लो हो रहे हैं, मूवमेंट स्लो हो रही है. रात में 12:30 बजे शी कॉल्ड मी एंड शी वाज शाउटिंग ऑन फोन ऑन द वीडियो कॉल. माय फादर वाज in her hand, and I think that time he was just losing
तो अब क्या, अगर आने वाला लाइफ पार्टनर आपका जो भी होगा, तो आप ये मेक श्योर करोगे कि वो सेम इंडस्ट्री से ना हो?
100%. First of all, I don't want to date anybody now, to be very honest. If ever I be seeing involved with anybody, that is going to be my husband only. And I am not in any hurry to get married because I just want to dedicate my life to my career right now. Just my career. I want Pavitra Punia to become a brand now. I am known, but I want to become a brand now, to be very honest. वो जो भी लड़का होगा इस इंडस्ट्री से नहीं होगा.
That's for sure.
Yes, that's for sure. Ever, see, I don't know what is written in destiny. I really have no idea. We can't plan anything. But one thing for sure, a thumb rule, like a double thumb rule, that if anybody also comes any time in my life where I feel that he can be my husband in future, nobody will get to know that what is happening in my life, to be very honest. This time there is no going to be display for the entertainment of people because they don't really understand what is happening. So this time it is going to be undercovered.
पवित्रा, हम लोग जाते हैं रैपिड फायर राउंड की तरफ. Have you ever cheated or being cheated?
I have never cheated. I have been cheated.
Okay. बताइए, लक्षद्वीप और मालदीव.
What is Maldives? Never heard about it. Lakshadweep, I know.
If you change your profession, what will you be?
I would love to have a IPS officer's uniform on my body.
A mistake you want to reconnect professionally?
When I came in this industry, the guiding force that had to be there with me, कि अगर मैं अपने पहले शो में if I would have taken any guidance, तो शायद मैं कहाँ होती.
Best street food you liked in Mumbai?
In Mumbai, vada pav, yaar. I love vada pav, but I can't eat because I get double chin like vada pav. I get side handles like vada pav. I get my stomach. I become one vada pav. But I love vada pav.
3 actors you want to work with?
Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan,
Okay.
Ranveer Singh.
Okay, so that's it for the day.
Thank you
so much, Pavitra. अगर आपको पवित्रा का ये बी ब्लंट कॉन्वर्सेशन पसंद आया होगा तो प्लीज डू लाइक,
भर के कमेंट करना और बताना जरा कैसा लगा, so that we can have a season 2 also.
Okay.